guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be doing an organizing video. I do videos that are organizing, decluttering, cleaning, stuff like that. If you guys would like to see more of that or are interested, just please go to my channel and you'll see a bunch. Also, if you guys have any suggestions of any other video you would like to see, just please leave it in the comments below and I'll get right on it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering my husband under the sink area. I also have another video that declutters and cleans my side. If you guys would like to see that, I'll link this right up here somewhere. So let's get to it. Wait, one more thing. If you like any of the products that I am going to be using, I'll be leaving it in the description box. Okay, let's get to it. This final result. Okay, so I purchased these 4 containers on Amazon, and then I purchased this one at Walmart, and then I purchased this at Target. I love this one because I used it for my side and I just love the height on it, so it's just really nice. Okay, so I just decided to put my husband's bag stuff in this container and then his shaving stuff in this container. Miscellaneous, so let's just put here his brushes, cologne, his travel bag, and his jewelry cleaning supplies. And then up here I just put his Listerine, his face creams, his skincare. So this is actually a candle holder. I just let the candle burn and used it. So all you have to do is just let the candle burn if you like the container, and then put hot water inside once it's done and wash it, and it's perfectly good to go. See how cute that is? I just loved it. It's really cute. And then I just used this one for all his gel and all this other stuff. But I just love how it came out so much better, so much organized. I just loved it. and he loves his side too. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell on so you will get notified every time I do post. Again, if you guys also want to give me more ideas, just please leave it in the comments below and I'll get right on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye guys.